being a startup, agility was quite key for our progression. So being able to turn on services quickly, efficiently, effectively, and without an IT department, you sometimes think that's a challenge. Where do I turn to? But turning to an organisation like Utilise has been brilliant to get us up and running pretty quickly and effectively as we've grown as an organisation.
Yeah, I mean, we've been really impressed with the support and general service that we've had from Utilise. So from the initial setup and onboarding process, we had a couple of different engineers attend site, really friendly, really approachable and knowledgeable. 3 weeks before the lockdown, we took a business decision for everyone to work from home so that we could sort of trial it out in the event that maybe there was a pending lockdown situation and we may not be able to get back into the office.
By investing in the remote tools, collaborations and cloud infrastructure allowed the business effectively really from the following day to get working from home. There were very minor changes required. The key thing that really kind of kept the business going and together internally and externally was adopting Microsoft Teams. We've been using it in and around the office accordingly, but it really sort of brought the staff together.
Yeah, so security was a big factor when considering cloud solutions. So it was essential that we had initially the multi-factor authentication set up for users and antivirus software installed. Furthermore, by achieving the Cyber Essentials Plus certification, it's helped us protect our organisation against cyber threats and enhance our IT policy so that we can continue to work securely with confidence. Not only that, but it's also improved our credibility and reputation in the industry. Also shows our commitment to protecting our own data and that of our customers, and the improved chance of business opportunities and contract work where large tender work is considered.
We're a small business looking to grow, and the Utilise approach is very much the same of putting the arm around the shoulder of those companies like us to develop and grow our business and support us as we climb through the ranks and progression of our goals and aspirations.